Hello friends, welcome to my channel World of Physical Chemistry. In this video I am going to discuss with you the effect of temperature and pressure on the phases of substances with the help of phase diagram. As we know that substances can generally exist in solid phase, liquid phase and gaseous phase. The phases of the substance depends upon the pressure and temperature. On heating, that is on increasing the temperature, solid melts into the corresponding liquids, while liquids boil and transform into the corresponding gases. Similarly, on cooling, that is on decreasing the temperature, gases condense into corresponding liquids, while liquids freeze and transform into corresponding solids. In the same way, there is an effect of pressure also. The change in the pressure can transform the substance from one state to another state. Now, phase diagram of a substance is a plot showing the conditions of pressure and temperature under which two or more physical states can exist together in a state of dynamic equilibrium. Here the phase diagram, a typical phase diagram of one component is shown on your screen. Now if we move from solid to liquid by changing the temperature, okay, now suppose that you had a solid and increase the temperature keeping pressure constant as shown in the phase diagram on your screen. As the temperature increases, that is the green arrow, to the point where it crosses the line, the solid will turn into the liquid, that is we can say that solid melts. And if we move from solid to liquid by changing the pressure, okay, now as the pressure decreases, that is the green arrow, to the point where it crosses the line, the solid will turn into liquid, that is solid melts. Now see the effect of temperature and pressure when we moving from liquid to vapor. If it is the temperature you are varying, you can easily read off the boiling temperature from the phase diagram. In the phase diagram shown on your screen, it is the temperature where the red arrow crosses the boundary. Now the question arises, what is the significance of this line separating the two areas? The answer is, anywhere along this line there will be an equilibrium between the liquid phase and vapor phase. The line is most easily seen as the effect of pressure on the boiling point of the liquid. The liquid will change to vapor when it crosses the boundary line between the two areas. And as the pressure increases, the boiling point also increases. Moving from solid to vapor, the green arrow represents solid vapor equilibrium. Once again, you can cross that line by either increasing the temperature of the solid or decreasing the pressure. Now the diagram shows the effect of increasing the temperature of a solid at constant pressure, and here pressure is probably very low. The pressure obviously has to be low enough that a liquid cannot form. In other words, we can say that it has to happen below the point labeled as T. If you like the content of the video, please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.